Building a new home, renovating your current one, or moving into a new space. It's exciting, but it's also a lot. At the end of it all, you're left with one big question. How does this actually come together in real life? I'm Mallory, the owner of Hello Happy Home, and we specialize in helping people turn beautiful new spaces into homes that actually function for everyday life. We work alongside builders, interior designers, and renovation teams, no matter who you're working with, to make the entire transition smoother, calmer, and more intentional. Because once construction wraps up, all of your everyday items still have to live in these spaces. And if they're just placed back in without thought, even the most beautiful home can feel overwhelming or unfinished. So we step in and we do the thinking for you. We organize every drawer, cabinet, closet, and storage area based on how you and your family actually live, creating systems that feel intuitive, functional, and easy from day one. We know a house isn't finished when the construction ends or the boxes are unpacked. It's finished when it feels calm, when it makes sense, when it supports your life instead of adding stress to it. Our job is to make sure your new home becomes everything you hoped it would be: beautiful, functional, and ready to be lived in. That's what we do at Hello Happy Home. If you're ready to get the most out of your new home, reach out today. It may be the best decision that you've ever made.